Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Gholib Bima Suci from the Electrical Engineering University 17 August Surabaya. Today, I would like to talk about an important topic in our modern lives: how social media shapes modern human interaction. Next, social media has become a vital part of our daily communication. It allows us to share content, maintain relationships, and communicate across distance instantly and cheaply. However, while some believe it damages face-to-face communication, I believe that if used correctly, social media actually improve human interaction in three important ways. It increases connection, builds support system, and raises global awareness. Next, connecting isolated individuals. First, social media connect people who are physically apart. Platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram help users stay in touch with friends and colleagues. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, when in-person interaction was impossible, people used this platform for, for remote learning, virtual meetings, and emotional support. This proves how social media keeps us connected even during difficult times. Next, online support communities. Second, social media provides emotional support and builds communities. Many people with rare illnesses or mental health challenges use social media to find others with similar experiences. A 2023 study by the Pew Research Center found that 62% of teenagers feel more understood in digital spaces than in face-to-face conversation. For those with social anxiety or disabilities, this kind of connection can be life-changing. Next, addressing concern, digital balance. Of course, the, there are concerns that social media might harm real-life relationship, but the real problem is misuse, not the technology itself. With proper digital education, user, users can learn how to manage their screen time and use social media in a healthy and balanced way. So, um, we must balance on the use social media. Next, conclusion. When used wisely, social media brings more benefits than harm. It enhances modern communication, provides support networks, and helps us stay connected to the world. It is not a replacement for a real relationship, but a powerful tools to support them. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope this discussion helped you understand the positive impact of social media on human interaction. Have a, have a great day. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.